Hey guys, it's time for part 3 of holiday, visiting new places. What can we do there? What can we do there? Number 1, the museum. What can we do at the museum? Well, we can watch paintings, and watch fossils. Watch fossils. What can we do at a national park? Well, we can go hiking, and watch wildlife. Watch wildlife. Now, what can we do at an amusement park? Well, we can watch shows, and go on rides. What can we do at the zoo? We can watch the animals. What can we do at the beach? We can make a sand castle. We can collect seashells. What can we do at the movies? We can eat popcorn. We can watch a movie. What can we do at the aquarium? We can see ocean animals. We can watch coral. What can we do at the farm? We can ride a tractor. We can pick fruit. Okay guys, that's it for part 3. Remember to review part 1 and part 2. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye bye. See you later.